Hello students, today we are going to solve the second problem. Question is written as the length of a baseline measured on ground at an elevation of 300 meter above MSL is 2250 meter. The required correction to reduce to sea level length given the radius of earth is 6370 kilometer is. Now in this question we need to determine the value of correction due to mean sea level, and we know the formula of correction due to mean sea level. It will be equals to minus LH upon R. Now in this question the value of L is given as 2250 meter and the value of H is given as 300 meter. Now the value of R is also given in the question, that is 6370 kilometer, but we want to convert this kilometer into meter, so we need to multiply here with 1000. After solving this we will get the correction due to mean sea level is equals to minus 0.106 meter. That will be the required solution of this question. We had determined the value of correction due to mean sea level equals to minus 0.106 meter. Thank you very much, students.